Ceasefire means an agreement between two groups or countries to stop fighting temporarily. In simple words, ceasefire equals stop fighting. A ceasefire happens when two countries or armies fight. They agree to pause the fighting. It may be for talks or peace. During a ceasefire, soldiers stop attacking. Civilians feel safer. Negotiations may start. The two countries agreed on a ceasefire. The ceasefire allowed people to get food and help. A ceasefire can prevent violence. Peace talks usually happen after a ceasefire. A ceasefire is not permanent. During a ceasefire, schools may reopen in conflict areas. Civilians can return home safely. International organizations monitor ceasefires. The two armies called a ceasefire to negotiate. A ceasefire is temporary, not a full peace treaty. It is the first step toward peace. Ceasefire equals stop fighting for a while.